Ang ano, di ba? Napaka-sneaky. Okay, nandito yan. Okay. Ito ang dahilan ng prosecutor kung bakit nag-request ng warrant of arrest ng February 10, 2025. Okay. Ang sabi sa mismong dokumento ng ICC, there is a realistic but time-limited possibility of securing Duterte's arrest. In the late 2024, the government of the Philippines publicly announced for the first time that it may execute an ICC arrest warrant. In late January 2025, the government publicly stated that it would execute an ICC arrest warrant if a request to do so is made through Interpol. Itong pinaka maganda dyan, yung redacted. Okay, ibig sabihin po ng redacted, confidential. Okay, 570. Ayan confidential. Ito yung ano niya, may document confidential. Hindi nila nilagay kung ano. You know what? Kung ano ito? In the context of